In this video, you will learn how to change paper size from A4 to A5 in MS Word document. A5 paper size is perfect for booklets, flyers, small notebooks, saves printing papers, and perfect for portable documents. It's pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. First, head to the view section and click on the multiple pages. And I have 3 pages and the size of these pages are A4. Now head to the layout section on the top menu bar and click on the size. And here you can see that I have selected A4 and the size of A4 is 8.27 inches into 11.69 inches. So click on this A5, which is the size 5.83 inches into 8.27 inches. Click on that. And here in the preview, you can see that the page size has been converted A4 to A5 in Microsoft Word document. So that's all. This is how it's pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.